Hello! Jesus Christ. They can never stop. Staying in lane, asshole, tough guy. Alright. Speed trap. I wonder if Mr. Asshole, tough guy will be caught. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did tough guy get pulled over? Uh-oh. I think it's tough guy. It's Masshole Tough Guy. Ha 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 ha. If he listened to me, he would have known there was a speed trap. Stay on your side of the road! Jesus Christ. God damn it, I gotta go. Let's go. Okay. Don't run the red. He didn't run the red, but he ran the red. Okay. Okay, you gonna speed up or are you gonna slow down or what? You should have yielded. Yeah, now putting your blinker. There's a not stop and a cutoff. Hey, this asshole move. Oh, it's BMW, I'd expect. Use your blinker. Use your fucking blinker. There are these fucking people. Use their fucking blinker. Slow the fuck. Yeah, now use your blinker. Well, ha ha ha. Hey, look, dumbass. Go. Don't go straight from the turn lane like that, though. Why are you breakdancing? Cut the shit, man. Stop. Go. You know where the fuck you're going? Back to New York. Jug handle dive. No! Fucking idiots. Jesus Christ. Ruined this great song, too. Start it over. And they're running the right up there. Okay. Yeah, at least two of them did. That was not a legal maneuver. Is he doing it? Yeah, no passing's on you, fuckface. Where's a cop when you need one? Yep, big rush to get there, whatever the fuck it is. Thank you. Jesus Christ. The fuck? But really got you far, douchebag, huh? Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Get off his butt. That was a cutoff. That's it, it was a cutoff. Stay in your lane. Thank you. Don't you dare cut me off. Don't you fucking dare cut me off! Thank you. The hell happened here? Dumbass couldn't make the turn, or shouldn't have. Stop. Hello. Stop. Thank you. Hello. 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 Do you see everybody coming, you Toyotard? I have a choice, you're gonna hit me. Don't stop. Could you wait and not cut him off? And don't hit me, you shithead. Toyotard. What the? That's not how it works, you dumbass. You bastard, you fucking bastard. Masshole. Nobody behind me at the time.